welcome to ft.Samsung time. Today I will show you how to take brighter images in low light. So simply open your device camera first of all. Now simply go to Pro mode. And in it, first of all, increase shutter speed to 10 seconds and ISO ranging at 100 to 3200. Then tap on the shutter button. Be sure to make your device stable or else you can use a tripod. Now check out this image guys, how good is it, and even the lighting is proper. You can adjust the ISO according to you and the light conditions. Now guys, let's check out the night mode photo. So guys, now take a look on the device night mode. Let's click an image through it. This is the image of our night mode, and we are going to compare this image we have captured earlier and one image from the normal default mode. If you liked the video guys, sub to the channel will be amazing. Thanks a lot. Meet you in the next video.